Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day. Come to clean up this massive mess I left. But I'm going to get Panther in here so it'll be easy for me to load it up. So hopefully I won't be too far forward over this mess. So let me get cracking. Got it cleaned up, packed up, ready to roll. Good morning, party people. I'm here at Swedish Car Parts, getting ready to hit the road, head back towards Albuquerque. And every time I'm here, I find out that they have products that I didn't know they have. Didn't even think they had it. So we're going to cover a couple of those real quick just to let you know the availability of some of this stuff. I don't know if it's all on the website or not, but cover a couple things that are common, people are trying to get a hold to, and just to let you guys know. All right, now you guys know that I try to encourage you to purchase your parts for your Volvos from suppliers that care about Volvos. You know, some people whine about warranties not being 30 years, whatever. To me, it's more important that you get parts that actually fit and work for your vehicle. Anyway, since my last visit 6 months ago or so, they've gotten several new products here at Swedish Car Parts that they have for you Volvo enthusiasts. One of the first things is 240 people have problems finding speakers that actually fit. You either get a speaker that sounds good and your window don't function, or your window functions and you don't have speakers. Anyway, they have had speakers manufactured to fit in the holder and actually let you function your window. This is a option for a speaker. As you notice, the casing screws don't line up to mount the speaker correctly. They have manufactured brand new two-way or three-way speakers.
It's three-way speakers.
Three-way speakers. They actually mount properly in the holder. Brand new case on them. You could quit trying to fish these things out of the junkyard. Speakers sound good, fit right, brand new. You 240 enthusiasts, you can get these speakers. Check the prices on the website. They're there. Is this a speaker cover or just an air vent cover?
Front air vent speaker. In some events, there was a speaker, oblong shape.
Okay.
It was mounted underneath. But many requests. Volvo stopped production of these many moons ago.
I get people ask me about these all the time. Goes in the 240 dash pads up top. Brand new, not broken. They snap right in.
We went ahead and we created a little tag for the enthusiasts.
Get a little bling that fits on there. So like you can even put that on your dash as well. Is it when you buy one of these that come with it, or that's an option?
That's an option. Somebody.
Okay. How much are those you think going for?
$5.
$5, little stocking stuffer. So what else we got going on?
Well, you were mentioning about the speedometer services and how people trying to repair the speedometers by replacing the various little gears that go in the
speedometer gears, odometer gears.
Right. We have 240 gears with 25 and 26 teeth.
Okay.
850 gears and cog gears that ride.
Okay. I know what you're talking about.
In the mechanisms. That's important to have. They're on the website. The prices are affordable.
Yeah.
And sometimes when people say, "Well, I replaced the gears."
Okay.
What's next? The speedometer is still not functioning.
All right.
There is a processor that goes into the motherboard.
On the 240s, 940s?
On the 240s.
240s, okay.
That's the source of an issue after everything is being...
Does that unplug or is that solder on?
It has to be soldered in.
Okay.
There's a procedure in doing that. Now, you understand many people are not comfortable with doing that type of work.
Okay.
And in that case, they're welcome to send a speedometer in.
Send it in.
We'll diagnose it.
Okay.
If it's a loose connection, we'll solder it.
Okay.
If this needs to be replaced, they're $80
Okay.
per processor. So success rate is 100%, and they are updated. So with that said, it's going to be good service to do.
Awesome. So they'll have a working speedometer. You'll fix whatever needs to be fixed in there.
Right.
And that'll be that.
Yep.
All right. We'll get a working speedometer. What else you got over here?
We have many requests for the throttle bodies.
Okay.
Throttle bodies have a certain level of failure, the magnetic Morelli type. So the failure is, as you mentioned in some of your videos, is in the contacts.
Okay.
It gets worn out.
Potentiometer, I think they call it.
Potentiometer, right.
Okay.
So we have a
Contactless.
contact list.
Do you sell this separate?
People could buy it from us,
Okay.
but most people are not capable of doing it. So what we do, we offer exchange. You can
Exchange.
simply exchange the throttle body. I have these ready to go.
Okay.
You go on the website, you buy one, we'll send that one to you the same day.
What year models you thinking?
Up through 2000.
So 99 and 2000.
99 and 2000.
Okay. So they contact you, you send them a throttle body,
And then they return the core to us.
they can swap it out and then send their old one to you.
Correct. Yes.
All right,
Very
cool.
simple. I think it's easier that way because, well, everyone consider themselves capable of doing that just to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Rather do
Yeah,
it.
most people I know, they don't want to do it.
Right.
They rather exchange it.
So while we can provide the service, and it's a plug and play, everything pre-programmed. Put the throttle body in the car, hook up the battery, turn the ignition on, wait for 3 to 5 seconds, crank, start the car, enjoy the ride.
So they don't have to get special Volvo
Nothing.
programming
No programming.
on those two vehicles.
Yep.
Awesome. What's these rubber gasket looking things?
Okay, Robert, we all drink coffee. We all enjoy our coffee.
Yeah,
in
a
the
lot of
car
people
because
do.
it's and these, believe it or not, are inserts for coffee cup holders. What happens? The
Okay.
little tabs get worn out,
And break off.
break off, and now your coffee cup is jumping inside it.
Okay. So
Coffee
that
cup
holds
holder, that
stabilize
helps
this
stabilize
coffee
this.
cup.
They were not available ever from the original manufacturer because the
They-
tradition was you buy a new car with a new coffee cup holder, and that's that.
Okay.
So-
Would you say it's a $40,000 fix?
Right.
Okay.
So we have a inexpensive fix. Anyone can do it. Take the coffee cup holder apart, place a new gasket in there, wash the coffee cup holder from the residue of
Uh-huh.
spilled coffee, and off you go. We have them for all the P2 platform vehicles.
Okay.
So all
S60, V70.
XC90, everything. Everything
Okay.
is available, and they're inexpensive. It's all on the website. There are instructions there how to do it.
Nice.
Anyone could do it. It's very, very easy fix and very a pleasant one.
Oh, good. Okay. What's those little deals there?
This is again going back to 240 products.
Okay.
Many people ask you. So the pivot bolt for the seat belt mount in a B pillar.
Okay.
Winded explanation. And that's the part where your seat belt attaches to the B pillar. To the
And
bolts.
that covers
That
that.
covers the bolt.
Makes
Because
it look
without
like
this
me.
cover, it looks lonely and abandoned and neglected.
Okay.
So we have them in colors, match your interior.
All right.
Inexpensive product again.
Okay.
So, and we were talking while you were repairing the cylinder head about the VVT cams and etc.
Oh, yeah,
and
those
all the
newer
codes that
vehicles.
get set up, and then many people say, well, the VVT cam is throwing a code.
Okay.
Very good. What's the reason? I said, we need a seal. They go to the dealer and say, we replaced the seal and the code is still there. The code is still there because there's an extra seal in the groove of a VVT cam. And
That's a source of a good leak too, though, right?
the hydraulic leak back into the engine. It's
Okay.
not going to leak to the outside. What happens? The original seal will get dried out over
All
the
right.
years. This area doesn't move, really.
Okay.
It's permanent fix. But only this area rotates. But that little seal there, the
All right.
backing seal, gets old, cracks, and starts...
Okay, so if you're pulling this hub to do your cam seals, you really should better do that seal as well.
You know, you call the trusty, supplier, and they say, well, the only hub is available. We looked into that and said, okay.
I had a guy buy a new hub, $600.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
this is the fix for it. Isn't it great?
Nice.
So, permanent warranty in this is made from good material that's specific for the application. So, remove the old seal, clean the area, install the new seal in place, put the hub back on the cam.
Okay.
Off you go. Your problem is solved. That will probably take care of all those codes that caused by your camshafts.
So some of the codes is the result of the leaking internally through there.
Correct.
Oh wow.
So this is a good, inexpensive fix.
Okay.
Remember, they're $9 each.
Wow.
$9. People say, well, yeah, I need to do all this work to put at $9. It's great. Good that you don't have to put $600 worth of.
Yeah, the hubs are expensive.
Right.
Very expensive.
And then one more thing that you mentioned to me is just like many people call and they say, hey, what's going on with our temperature gauge and the fuel sender? We replaced the fuel sender and the steel
740, 940, 240 mostly.
It's the most popular these days for us. Temperature compensation board.
Wow.
We have a replacement program where we repair this. It's $45 to repair. We have these.
They send the unit to you?
We have these in stock, and we'll only just ask the people to send back the defective one.
Okay, so you mail them that,
Correct.
They replace that, and they mail you the old one.
Yes.
Exchange. Okay.
So this is inside a speedometer.
240
Yeah.
speedometer unit. Okay. Nice. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.